There you go.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, that's the most military green I have. So
that's awesome, man. I like it.
It'll kind of match the truck. Kinda.
If it's the theme of it. It's the theme. That's all that matters, man. There we go.
There you go. Looks good.
All right. I didn't want to use the magnets because I didn't want to mess up
The inside of the wheel.
Inside of the wheel, especially after repeated rotation, balancing, and everything else. I didn't want to have like sticker residue or whatever else. So
True.
that's one of the beads.
This is my first time ever seeing actually the beads itself. I always thought they were bigger for some reason.
I had no idea what they look like. This is my first time seeing them too.
That's cool. 8.5 ounces. That's the original bag.
Yeah, Magnum balance.
That's cool.
I have 14, I have 40. Oh, you go like, depending on the color, those are orange, right?
Yes, there you go, orange.
Yeah, so 8.5. So they gave me they told me 16 ounces.
Yeah.
Which would have been a green bag, but they gave me 2 orange bags that are 8.5.
Yeah.
Or red.
8.5.
250 grams. I don't know how this works, man.
Somebody let us know how this works.
Actually, that wasn't hard.
Why not lifting it right?
No, that's wrong.
Alright, come there. There you go. Alright, so here we have the Hostile Punishers. These are the Hostile forged 24 by 14s, specially powder coated at Vivid in Columbia, South Carolina. I don't know if you can tell, but there's, oh yeah, you can get the flakes. Oh, you can see the flakes really good.
Take it out in the sun, you can really get it.
Maybe I should. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can really see it in the sun. There you go. So we have the 40 by 1550 on 24s. What we're doing now is, or what he's gonna do now is put these on in the rear. So I'm actually really curious to see how these turn out. We have another build on the channel. We're doing a 2020 white 2020 Denali, which belongs to Mark.
Look at that.
He's doing a 7 to 9 inch McGoy's lift kit. We're gonna set it at 9 inches up front, maybe like 8.5, because he doesn't want to fully max out the ride and, you know, potentially hinder the ride quality. So we're gonna do like 8.5, but we're really curious because he has 40s, and that's gonna be a 9 inch lift. So from what we heard, 40s don't work. That's why Mark went with 37s. Even the McGoy's truck in California was running 37s. 9 inch lift with 37s.
37.
Didn't really look like 38s would fit, so we're really curious to see how this turns out. And this is his bed, obviously sprayed with Linex, color matched. Looks pretty good. What do you guys think? We got the 40s on this side, and if we come over here, still got the stock wheels. Just look at that difference. That is insane. That's literally you versus the guy she says not to worry about. Or is it the other way around? Oh, that's sick.
You got the Allen key?
Yeah.
Dude, look at that lean.
Big fucking mirror. Oh.
You're good.
Oh, is that what y'all was
No,
saying?
you're.
Oh, I got an M on mine now. thought y'all was saying move out of the way with a little
He's the
bit.
paint guy, so he's just checking to see if the paint matches. You want to do a little shout out to your son?
Yeah, what's up, man? We in here YouTubing, man.
Let's go look at your, I guess, other bumpers and paint match stuff.
Part of the bumper,
Part of the grill, part of the bumper.
Southern Edge Fab. They designed these for me.
All right.
And,
What is this? Oh, that's for
that's for the light bulb.
Okay.
So the Kelderman bumpers come perfectly matched for rigid lights.
Okay.
We didn't want rigid lights. We opted to go with Twisted Pro, and there was a very small variance between the two. So the guys over at Southern Edge Fabrication Shop in Westcott, they hooked us up with those right there.
Okay.
Custom design. It's pretty slick how you get it.
This is the bumper.
That's the front bumper. That's a part of the front bumper.
Oh, okay. Makes sense.
And that's part of the grill. This is all the grill. So,
Kelderman's. Oh, heck yeah. Dude, that grill is sick. Aha.
once
I like
it's all
that.
said and done.
Dude, that's so like meaningful to like this build overall. I love the American flag on the front grill.
This is the outer piece.
All right.
I've been debating, should I paint the middle piece green or should I just paint the bolts green that go in all of these?
And then leave this as
It's all, this is all color matched.
Okay.
Leave everything else color matched, but just paint the bolts that go in the whole frame. They're sitting over there right now.
It's been a few hours. I don't know when you guys are going to be watching this, but today is Halloween. I went off and did some Halloween stuff. I just came back. He got all 4 of the wheels put on, and truck looks absolutely killer. The bumpers are done and the grills are done, so I'm about to show you guys the truck with the wheels and tires, and I'm going to show you, they haven't put the bumper on yet, but I will show you what the bumper looks like after it's been painted. So here you go. Look at that. What a beast. 24 by 14 with 40 by 1550, and obviously this is a 7 to 9 inch lift. I think it's set pretty much at like 7.5 to like maybe 8 inches, so he does have room to go up. As of right now, he does rub a good bit. Maybe gets he said he gets 1 full turn, which barely moves the tire like that. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. It looks killer with 40s. It's just too bad that the GM square fender well doesn't allow you to run 40s, because oh my god, this looks killer. Just look at that. Look, the color combination with the green in the wheel, green in the control arm, green in the headlights, mirrors. It just ties in so good. I think the next thing he needs to do is maybe figure out a way to put the green in here, and then maybe like in there. That would be killer. But gosh, this truck looks so good. And one thing I do want to point out is a lot of you guys may know this, may not know this, but with the GM on the 2020s, GM relocated the def tank, which is freaking amazing. On the previous generations, the def tank used to hang below right here. It looked god awful, and if you had amp steps, you had to order them specifically for the 2500 to accommodate for the def tank, which in a way I think it took away from the look of having amp steps. So GM relocated the def tank. The filler neck for the def tank is right next to your fuel, so it's a lot better than on the previous generation where you had to pop open the hood, and then I think it's like on the other side. I have personally never had to put def in any of my vehicles. My LML, when I bought it, it was already deleted. So status update: front bumper and all the inserts are painted, and then the grill has been painted. Just had to take this piece off of the factory one. How many tabs were there? Like 16 or something? Yeah, every little of these little tabs, it was a nightmare. But everything is for sale, like all the factory parts. The grill, factory grill is for sale. Obviously, like the camera and stuff is not included. But the factory grille is for sale. Factory bumper, front and back, is for sale.
Color matched already.
Color matched already. If you have this gray colored, I don't know
Black metallic.
black metallic,
Carbon black.
carbon black metallic. And what else is for sale?
The wheels.
The wheels. Oh yeah, factory wheels. They're the AT4 wheels. So anybody with older like LML Denali, I mean, I know a lot of people love running the newer wheels on the older trucks. Oh yeah, that'll be different.
They're dirty as heck, but they're in good condition.
Yeah, so if you guys are interested, DM 4 Country.
And the tires still got a lot of tread on them.
You know how much you want to sell them for?
DM me, we'll discuss.
Yeah, DM your offers. No low balls though.
Coop some of this money.
Exactly. I'm never gonna financially recover.
Financially recover from this.
Oh, and then you got the trim pieces too.
Yeah, these are the factory moldings, fender flares.
Yeah, if anybody wants to buy that, and then so that way
You
they
can
can
color
paint
match
it.
them, yeah.
Exactly.
If you want to color match them yourself or whatever.
Shoot, in case I buy a GMT, I might buy those off you.
I'm over here in my stockpile.
Factory Rancho shock for sale too. Factory skid plate. Factory bump stop for sale. You make that into like a trophy for something, for a truck show. All right, so correction, the grill is no longer for sale because we have to utilize like pretty much 80% of the factory grill to use the aftermarket one. So basically you need to cut the inserts out and then going to use the bezel around it to mount the aftermarket grill. All right, so pretty much I guess done, almost done with the grill install. It's a little bit more work than you had anticipated, right?
Definitely.
Definitely. That's kind of, in a way, a perk and a downside of having a custom grill.
Right.
It does involve a good bit of work. Same thing that I went through with Mark's Overkill grill as well. Do a lot of tedious work to get it to work. But it'll be worth it when you're done.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
All right, so I'm about to head out, but Matt is gonna stay and try to get the grill done. He's been here for 14 hours today. So he's beat, but he needs to get the grill done. So he's gonna stay and get the grill finished. The rest of the crew should be here tomorrow to get the truck done and hopefully have it ready for next week's SEMA 360 show. But man, the truck looks killer. Everything paint matched at the lift, wheels, tires, everything looks great. It does have room to go up a little bit, like maybe an inch, possibly 2 more inches with leveling keys, because those 40s are gonna need some it's gonna need some adjustment for the 40s.
Yeah. Definitely gonna need some more adjustment, dude.
That is gonna be it for this episode. Hopefully this truck will be finished tomorrow and we'll have a reveal video coming up to you guys sometime Monday or Tuesday. So keep on the lookout, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that way you can get alerted whenever we get done with this build. So keep on the lookout and then make sure to follow him for all the truck content related to this build. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace.